me, Lexus.
It's me, Michaela, and guess what today is?
Christmas!
No!
My birthday!
No! Happy Applesauce Day!
Applesauce Day?
Yeah!
I thought it was Orange Juice Day. My bad.
That was last year, Dollface. Okay, now this is what's up. Today, it's called the Me and Lexus Day. And we are best friends, so we will be recording random videos. So, my name is gonna be K-Dog.
My name is gonna be L Pineapple.
Okay, here we go. Yo, Lexus.
Yo, 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 applesauce.
Guess what I like?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken McNuggets.
What?
You be all up in my swag.
Get the ball. Get the ball. It's stuck. It's stuck.
Guess what, Birdie? Call. Wait, that's not a pigeon.
Ready? Me and Michaela gonna play dodgeball.
Ow! She just hit that light.
What? Quick.
Ah, Bolly. Hey, Bolly. Wait, I want the ball. Hi. Guess what the ball can do? Wanna see? Stop, give me the ball. Wait, here's the ball, okay? And guess what I'm gonna do? Kick it. Yeah!
Ready?